A gift from the heart. It's almost my father's birthday. I want to give him a special present, but I don't have much money. What can I get for him? I've looked in all the stores. I saw many things, but nothing felt quite right for my dad. I thought about getting him some candy, but Dad doesn't eat many sweets. He says he likes to stay healthy. I thought about a new shirt, but his closet is already full of clothes. He has a shirt for every color of the rainbow. I wish I could buy him a new car or a computer, but I can't afford that. I watched him all weekend, thinking and thinking. He cut the grass, washed the car, and took out the garbage. He even weeded the garden and watered all the plants. Then, I had a wonderful idea. I ran to my room and got some paper and scissors. I made little coupons. One said, "I will wash the car every weekend." Another said, "I will take out the garbage every week." I also made coupons to cut the grass, weed the garden, and water the plants. I put all my special coupons inside a birthday card. I gave the card to my dad. He read every coupon and smiled the biggest smile I had ever seen. He said it was a gift from the heart.